Good morning students, welcome to the science class. Today we'll start our chapter 12, electricity and circuits. So, what do you understand by electricity? When we talk about electricity, we say first thing that comes to our mind is the electric gadgets that we are using. Electricity for many purposes to make our task easier. For example, we use electricity to operate pumps that lifts water from the well or from the ground level to the rooftop tank. What are the other purposes of electricity? Like other purpose, electricity makes it possible to make our work easy in kitchen, like we are using microwave, we are using this mixer grinder, and then we are using washing machines, we are using hand blenders and other things. Electricity makes it possible to light our homes, roads, offices, markets and factories even after sunset. This helps us to continue working at night. A power station provides us with electricity. However, the supply of the electricity may fail or it may not be available at some places. In such situation, a torch is sometimes used for providing light. A torch has a bulb that lights up when it is switched on. Now, the question arises, where does the torch gets electricity from? Like torch gets its electricity from the electric cell. Electricity to the bulb in the torch is provided by the electric cell. Electric cell, as you can see, is shown here, which is used in many items like alarm clock, wristwatch, transistor, radio, camera and many other devices. If you see the electric cell carefully, you will see that it has a small metal cap on one side and a metal dice on the other side. You will notice that it has a positive sign and a negative sign marked on the electric cell. So, what we have to, the electric cell provides electricity. Where does the electric cell provides electricity? It provides electricity from the chemical stored inside it. When the chemical in the electric cell are used up, the electric cell stops producing electricity. Now you must have seen that suddenly you will see that your clock stops working and you say that we have to, because it is over, and you have to change the electric cell, you have to change the electric cell. So that means it has to be the torch bulb. Now torch bulb has, and if you see the torch bulb carefully, you can take it out and see the torch bulb carefully. You will see the torch bulb has an outer case of glass that is fixed on a metal base. You will see it has a metal base. Now if you look at it carefully, when you see it, you will find a thin wire that gives out light. If you light it, you will see a thin wire which is glowing, and this is called the filament of the bulb. So the filament is fixed to two thick wires which also provide support to it, as you can see it in the figure. One of this thick wire is connected to the metal case at the base of the bulb, and the other thick wire is connected to the metal tip at the center of the base. One is connected to the base of the bulb and one is connected to the center of the base. The base of the bulb and the metal tip of the base are the two terminals of the bulb. Now you have understood these two terminals are fixed in such a way that they do not touch each other. The electric bulb used at home also has a similar design. Both electric cell and electric bulb has two terminals each. Now, why do they have two terminals? This we will discuss in our next class. Till then, thank you and have a nice day.